Hi, welcome to Breakthrough Science. Benjamin here. Maybe you wonder about the sport shirt today, or about gloves, boxing gloves, and the tennis racket on the boxing glove. Yeah, I am announcing a new series today. It will be a short series, and the name is The Human Strength Experiment. I prepared the last few weeks to have a very intense training period. I mean, for all who know me better, I'm in love with sports. I love to play tennis, doing volleyball, kickboxing, boxing, and doing fitness, calisthenics, all these kind of things. Really like that. And this is my chance to combine it with science and to combine it with this YouTube channel. So I prepared the last few weeks to have a 3-week experiment with myself. So I'm basically the test monkey for that. And in this experiment, I will try to follow the training routine of a professional sportsman. So it will consist of 3 to 6 endurance training units and 4 to 5 weightlifting or calisthenics or fitness training units. So I will give you an update week by week for the 3 weeks, how I feel, what changed in my body, why did I choose that instead of that, and I will explain the science behind it a little bit better. So I'm trying to figure out what scientific literature proves and introduce you to channels who are really into that. There are some good YouTube channels and some good people who are making that as their main activity, and you should really check them out if you're into that. And I hope you join in for this experiment with me as the test monkey, trying to train for 3 weeks as hard as possible, 1 to 2 training units a day, and trying to see the change in body composition, the change in strength gain, the change in my mood, and everything. So 3 weeks is not a long period, but I decided for that because this gives me the chance to not spend too much time on it and to have 1 week for each big topic. So the first week will also explain a little bit my diet and why this diet, what kind of diet preparations I did. The second week will explain my training, so my training schedule for endurance, for weightlifting, for all these kind of things. And the third week will cover recovery, so sleep, general behavior, how it interacts with your sports routine, and also the preparation itself. So how did I prepare for the 3 weeks in the first place? I hope you join in. No worries, the Origin of Life series will also continue after this 3-week break, and also the science news videos will continue after this 3 weeks break. So see you next week for the first video, the start into my training, my human strength experiment, and all the necessary information about dieting for yourself, proven by science.